If you're looking for an easier way to add berberine to your daily routine, this liquid formula surprised me. This is the Clean Nutra Berberine Liquid Drops, and it's designed for people who don't love swallowing capsules or want something fast absorbing. What makes this one stand out is the blend. Berberine with ceylon cinnamon, bitter melon, gymnema, chromium, plus turmeric, ginseng, and moringa, all in one liquid. I personally like liquid supplements because they're easy to customize, gentle on digestion, and convenient to add to water or take directly. The taste is mildly herbal with a hint of cinnamon, not overly bitter, and it mixes easily. I usually take it before meals as part of my routine. This is great if you're focused on daily glucose balance, metabolic support, or want something that fits into a low-carb or wellness lifestyle. No fillers, no complicated dosing, and it's made with plant-based ingredients, which I always appreciate. This isn't a quick fix, but it's a solid, thoughtfully formulated supplement for consistent daily use.